Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Enjoy an exclusive 10% off up to Rs 100. The coupon is already applied for you. Upgrade your traditional look with stunning jewelry sets, now available for under Rs 299. Get ready for the all-new Lava Virat V1, starting from just Rs 8,999. Don't miss the exclusive sale starting July 31st at 12 p.m., only on Flipkart Unique. Upgrade your kitchen today with our massive cookware range featuring top brands like Prestige and Hawkins. Enjoy up to 80% off on select cookware sets for a limited time. Be among the first to own the incredible new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and Fold 8. Pre-order yours today starting from just Rs 179.99. Experience more color and more action with the TCL T60 QLED TV powered by Google TV, starting from just Rs 25,490. Experience immersive entertainment with the MIDI Fort Sonic 600 soundbar system, featuring Dolby Audio all around. Grab yours now starting from just Rs 1,999. Upgrade your home with Motorola smart appliances starting from just Rs 7,990. Get the ultimate home upgrade featuring Motorola washing machines, 4K QLED and Vision X TVs, and ACs with free installation and a 3-year warranty. Meet the stunning new Nothing Phone 4B, featuring a UV-treated unibody design, available starting from just Rs 31,499. Get ready to ride in style with an amazing up to 60% off on this versatile folding cycle from Bull Bicycle. Don't miss out, upgrade your commute today. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.